Alright, let's go over today's trade that we've taken um on GER30 London session. So yeah, let's go through. So let me just mark out the stuff I had marked out. Oh shit, wrong thing. Okay. So on daily bias, I was bearish. The reason being on the 4 hour, we had a recent break structure to the downside from this low. And hold up a second. Yeah, and on the 1 hour, wait, yeah, because this closed later on. Yeah, so and on the 1 hour, we were actually bullish as well from the recent break from this high right here. Let me mark it out for you guys from here. So on the 1 hour, we were bullish, bearish on the 4 hour, meaning retracements are to the upside while extension moves are to the downside. With that in mind, I was just seeing how market was going to play. So this move up here, I'll just remove everything that's not here now. So okay. So as you can see, price moved up at market open. So this was basically the retracement move to the upside, which I missed because if you can see on the 15-minute, there was a liquidity sweep right here, and then break structure, leaving a 15-minute imbalance, or you could even go on 1 minute and take a break structure fair value gap entry from there. But since the retracement move already happened, I was looking for shorts. That means I wasn't going to take any longs. I was going to go shorts. Bearing in mind there was obviously still this 15-minute fair value gap. So price obviously extended up, sweeping this 1 hour liquidity. 1 hour liquidity within the 15-minute bearish order block and within the 4 hour imbalance, because as you can see, price respected it after this, before this candle. So I'll just delete that since everyone knows what it is. So bearish order block, fair value gap 4 hours. So just delete that. And then this liquidity, I'll just keep it there. So, and on one thing which added confluences is on the 4 hour, I drew my equilibrium. So it was within equilibrium as well, discount. So on the 5-minute, not on the 5-minute, on the 15-minute, liquidity swept. As you can see on the 5-minute, we had a break structure from down here, leaving this bearish order block. So the reason I took it on a 5-minute than a 1-minute today, on a break structure, is because I'm taking a 4 hour play, not a 1 hour. And the way I've seen and learned about the market is the 5-minute follows the 4 hour. So I was waiting for a 5-minute break structure instead of 1 minute. Getting that 5-minute break structure, leaving us with this obviously bearish order block, and after this low was created, we got equilibrium. Then I went down to the 1 minute, and as you can see, there's equilibrium drawn out there, and there was fair value gaps. There was this fair value gap, 1, 2, 3 fair value gaps. So this was also 3-minute fair value gap right here. So this was basically a 3-minute fair value gap. But I just marked it out as 1 minute. So just mark it out right now. So those are my fair value gaps. So price tapped into the EQ, but didn't tap in the fair value gap on this. So I still didn't enter here. Then price went back into the EQ, disrespected this fair value gap, but respected this fair value gap, given a bearish reaction candle on which I entered. So my position was like this, stop above this high, and then my TPs. Yeah, and then my TPs. So bearing in mind this was a 3-minute fair value gap, I'll go on later on what I should have done better. But this 1-minute fair value gap saved us. Obviously, this is within the 5-minute bearish order block and the 15-minute bearish order block. So price tapped into that, gave a bearish reaction candle, straight down towards TP1. So we was in drawdown for a bit, but then straight down towards TP1. Then I got taken out break even, and that's the aftermath of the trade. So after getting taken out break even, all TPs were hit. So talking about what I could have done better is knowing that there was a 3-minute fair value gap here, as you can see. I probably should have waited for a close out of the 3-minute fair value gap instead of the 1-minute fair value gap, which I took on. That's one thing I could have done better, because as you can see, I was swimming in drawdown for a bit until this fair value gap reaction came through. So that's one thing I could have improved on taking the trade, on execution, definitely. The thing I did good, I would say, is marking TPs, because as you can see, each TP it hit, it had some sort of reaction from it, except this one. But and marking out POIs and having my analysis the way I wanted it, like as in the stick to it. Like I wanted shorts, I had a short. So yeah, that's the trade for today. Kind of recorded this video a bit late, but as you can see, it's the 12th, Friday, 2:55. But yeah, that's the trade done.